Alright, well, we just spent 2 months in Chelan, Washington with my sister and one of my brothers, and I'm going to show you some clips from that here. Howdy. It's 6:30 in the morning. It's been raining all night. I thought I'd show you this because we woke up to Laura's bed being pretty soaking wet. And weep holes are dirty, and that's all the crap that's coming out of it from just get a zip tie. Let's make sure to clean out these weep holes.
It's very cozy.
Oh my god. Okay, somebody's gotta say 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
There we go.
Alright. Woo!
I really want my tippy toes.
Buddy, it's hot. It's hot. It's not like killing me right now though. It's hot. It's not like I'm not dying.
Alright, we'll see how that goes. And now we're at my eldest brother's in West Jordan, which is near Salt Lake City, Utah, for a couple weeks. But we had some things kind of not working great for us, like we gotta fix a 7-pin connector, so. Okay, so luckily on this it tells me what color I need to attach it to. It's kind of stressing out about that. Oh, almost forgot a pretty important part. Got it. There, new plug. So another thing that had happened on the way here from Lake Chelan was I noticed while I was driving that the damper was sticking out of here, is brittle, cracked, basically just fell out. So I have to replace that, otherwise it's basically just a hole that's letting air in and out unwanted. So I ordered a piece off Amazon. It's too big, so I'm cutting it down to size to fit. By golly, I've done it. Not the easiest thing, had to do some modifications, but back in action. So we're also having an issue with our Jackery power station, and I ended up calling Jackery to see if there's anything I could do about the situation, and they ended up just replacing the whole thing on warranty, so we're super lucky about that. I got it shipped to my brother's place and picked it up, got here before we got here, so that worked out nicely. So now we have brand new Jackery. We meet again. delightful. Well, looks like we're going to be spending a few extra weeks at my brother's place in Utah because I have to fly back up north for a business meeting. So after that, we're going to head south. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't get too cold by the time we get to Arizona. But I'm sure it'll be fine. So thanks for tuning in and see you next time.